we're excited to introduce SAP Business One, a powerful solution built specifically for small and mid-sized businesses to run smarter, faster, and stronger, powered by the world's best enterprise software publisher, SAP. SAP Business One is trusted by over 80,000 businesses globally to manage daily operations. It's an all-in-one ERP solution that provides real-time data for informed decision-making. Flexible deployment options, support for 28 languages, and localization in 50 countries make it ideal for growing businesses worldwide. At its core, SAP Business One delivers robust ERP functionality across finance, sales, inventory, production, and more. It's also built to grow with you, leveraging AI, mobile tech, analytics, and the SAP Business Technology Platform to extend and customize your solution. SAP Business One features a modern, intuitive web client designed with SAP Fiori principles. It brings simplicity to managing customers, orders, and reports, all while giving you real-time insights and seamless access to your data from any device. SAP Business One is designed to give you complete visibility and control over your operations, from finance and sales to inventory, production, and customer service, all in one integrated system. Simplify accounting and control processes, automate bank reconciliations, track cash flow, and generate real-time reports. Business One enhances financial visibility and integrates these functions with sales and purchasing for faster, more informed decisions. From first contact to after-sales support, SAP Business One helps you manage the full customer lifecycle. Track opportunities, campaigns, service calls, and boost customer satisfaction, all while empowering your sales team with mobile access. Manage the full procure-to-pay cycle with ease. Business One streamlines purchase requests, supplier quotes, and goods receipts while integrating with accounting and inventory to optimize purchasing decisions and track vendor performance. Keep inventory accurate, optimize warehouse operations, and maintain control over pricing strategies. SAP Business One supports multiple costing methods, bin locations, and real-time stock visibility, making it easy to manage complex logistics. Gain instant visibility with built-in analytics, dashboards, and reporting tools like Crystal Reports and SAP Analytics Cloud. Business One lets you create dynamic reports and visualizations, giving your team powerful, real-time business insights. Automate repetitive processes using SAP Build Bots, from invoice scanning to proof of delivery uploads. With low-code automation and built-in templates, you can streamline operations and free up time for higher-value tasks. SAP Business One supports specialized needs in industries like retail, manufacturing, wholesale, and services. With over 500 industry-specific add-ons, it scales with your business and helps you meet unique operational requirements as you grow. Choose how you deploy, on-premise or in the cloud. SAP Business One also offers mobile apps for real-time access to your business from anywhere, so your team stays connected and in control wherever they work. SAP Business One is built for small and mid-sized businesses. It centralizes operations, improves decision-making, and drives growth, all through one integrated, affordable ERP platform, available exclusively through SAP partners. Ready to start your digital transformation journey with SAP Business One? Contact Aclaros today on our website. Email us at info@aclaros.com or give us a call.